Namaste student. Today we have to continue our second chapter of history, class 10, nationalism in India. In a previous topic we discussed about the main important effects which was found because of First World War. Along with that we also discussed about three major important satyagraha introduced by Mahatma Gandhi. First in 1916, Champaran Satyagraha. Second, 1917, the Kheda Satyagraha. Then the third one in 1918, Ahmedabad Satyagraha. Today we have to discuss about another important incident which was happened in our India during the 1919, just after the completing of Gandhiji's three important satyagraha. This particular incident is commonly known as the Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act introduced by the British government in year 1919. This act passed by the imperial legislatives, and this particular act gave an enormous power to the Britishers. Power to suppress Indian people, power to control Indian political activities, power to control Indian people, power to control the strength of Indian nationalist struggle. Or in other words, we can say this particular Rowlatt Act was act which is totally against of Indian people. This act was introduced by Sir Sidney Rowlatt in 1919, and according to this act, two major provisions were introduced. The first one, this act gives a very strong power to the British government to suppress each and every type of political activities which were found in Indian subcontinent, by political leader, by any political organization, by any social reformers also. So it means this particular act is totally against of Indian people. According to the second provision of this act, the government received the power of detention of political prisoner without trial for 2 years. Without trial for 2 years means to say without any court hearing, the British government having a power to demolish the nationalist leader as well as to demolish the Indian strength. And by this Rowlatt Act, the Britishers started very brutally to oppress the Indian people, Indian society, Indian sections. In this Rowlatt Act, the power is totally gained by the British administration, and according to this act, the humiliating activities were practiced against Indian. So these are some important act. This was considered very important act against the Indian people, or we can say in our Indian history. And by this act, or we can say because of this act, a huge aggression, dissatisfaction was emerged in entire Indian society. Each and every political leader, nationalist leaders, political organizations were totally against of this act, Rowlatt Act. And by that reason, Mahatma Gandhi introduced a nationwide satyagraha against this Rowlatt Act in 6th April 1919. Because of this Rowlatt Act, to receive a justice, to end or to boycott this Rowlatt Act, Gandhiji introduced a nationwide satyagraha on 6th April 1919, and according to this nationwide satyagraha, Gandhiji launched a nationwide hartal in 6th April 1919. And by the effort of Mahatma Gandhi, the followers of Mahatma Gandhi were participated very strongly in this particular movement. So student, this much we have to discuss in this topic. Another we have to discuss in our next topic. For that, namaste and thank you.